Hey guys, we're continuing our journey. Our thing just stopped, I don't know why. Alright. Ooh, butterfly. You wanna see my mom's bug bite? Let's look. Guys, this is a very bad bug bite. Alright, let's go. We're continuing our journey through the woods. Oh gosh, yeah. Oh. I don't know the way to get out. We should. Why? Mud. So guys, we're still continuing our journey. This is going to be a long journey out of here because I feel like I'm in freaking Jurassic Park. Oh my god. I'm getting a lot of bugs in my hair, biting me. Ow. Ah. Mom, we need to put some pickle juice on us. There's some people getting ready to do zip lining. Right. Let's keep on going. Can we sit down, Mom? Look at the lake.
Okay.
Here's a wonderfulest lake. What a beautiful lake. I need a drink.